Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you're watching this video. Depending the time you are watching this video. Yeah, you see, to my dear artists on my list, yeah, my musicians, my dear fellow musicians, my dear musicians, up and coming artists on my list. If an artist on my list, you let's say you have, let's say you record your song, your track, but couldn't find a good platform to upload your song for your fans to get download. You're finding it difficult to get your audio mark account boosted, be it music stream or followers. You see, I come with an update. Gascony, long time ago, Gascony Gh Tech is here again. By the way, sorry for, yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while, yes. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I was offline small. I was doing something small. So, but today, it is not about content creating. It's not about website designing. It's not about AI for logo, AI for flyer designing. This video is purposely made for my dear musicians. Yeah, my dear up and coming artists, my dear, let's say, I know some of them, they are already big, they are coming up. Yeah, they have their songs on audio mark. Some they have less followers, some they have less stream. Don't worry, Gascony Gh Tech is here to support and help you. You see, I have 3 websites that you can get your songs uploaded on that platform for free. One is this, Riverb Nation. One is Ludodo.com. And one is, you can see the logo here. For that one, maybe, I don't want to mention this thing, the name. Yeah, I don't want you to laugh at me. So, yes, here is it. So, first one is this, second one is this, and third one too, this one. So, don't worry, Gascony Gh Tech is available. If you want the links for the platform or for the website, you can leave a comment for me. I will forward you the link. I'll send you the link. Yes, my WhatsApp number too is on top of it. You can contact me. Yeah, you can contact me. Yeah, you can also follow Gascony Gh Tech for all. As you know, this 2026, we are coming with hits. Everybody say hits. I'm laughing today. I'm happy today because God bless me with strength and life. Long life. So everyone say hits. Say hit. So don't worry. This 2026, Charlie, we are not joking on the topic of content creating. We are coming with full fire, full vim. So Charlie, see you in my next video. Shout out to all my Nigerian friends, my Ghanaians, my Kenya, Pakistan, see all the continent, all the countries. Shout out to you all. Much love. I love everybody. Keep supporting Gascony Gh Tech. Follow Gascony Gh Tech on Facebook. Follow you on YouTube, Gascony Gh Tech. TikTok, Gascony Gh Tech. All platform, Gascony Gh Tech. So thank you. Happy to see you. Much love to everyone. See you in my next video.